How to use VLOOKUP in Excel. This tutorial shows you how to look up a value from one table and pull matching data from another. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. From there, click on the empty cell where you want your result to appear. After that, type an equal sign, then VLOOKUP, followed by an open parenthesis. At this point, click on the cell containing the value you want to search for. Following this, type a comma. From here, click and drag to select the full range of your data table, including the column you're searching in and the column you want to pull results from. At this stage, type another comma. Following this, type the column number within that range that holds the value you want returned, counting from left to right starting at 1. From here, type another comma. At this stage, type false for an exact match, since this avoids Excel pulling an incorrect approximate result. Following this, type a closing parenthesis. From here, press Enter. Once entered, that cell displays the matching value pulled directly from your other table. That's how you use VLOOKUP in Excel. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.